The question is, before you started trading systematically, you had some trades, and whatever you decided, however you decided to place those trades, you've placed those trades, they're now open. The question is, should I close those trades now that I'm going to trade systematically so I can just follow the rules and forget about those things? You don't have to close it, okay? If you had a informed, like educated reason and plan for that trade, you could leave it there and follow that plan. But if the trade was placed because of just the hype, or you didn't want to miss out, and you don't really have a plan, and you don't have a method that you know will work, then my suggestion is that you take that which was a discretionary trade and you pull that money into your systematic portfolio and start trading it with the rules. Because what will happen is you've got this position, this trade, which is not, it doesn't have rules around it. You don't know when exactly you're going to get out. You don't know exactly how you're going to manage it in advance. And if the market goes up, that's going to feel great. But if the market goes down a long way, it's not going to feel great. You're going to lose money. And it's going to be more and more and more emotionally difficult and more panic as the market falls. And what you've learned in the crypto success system is that this market goes up very fast, great, but also falls very far, very fast, right? So we don't want to have to sit through that if we don't have to. So if we take that position that doesn't have a plan around it, put the money into a system, the system will get us in when it's moving up, get us out when it's moving down, keep us safe, reduce our stress, and it should improve your results long term. Yeah. But if you have a strategy that you're following around that initial trade that you already have on, you can keep following that strategy. All I'm saying is, if you don't really have a strategy, be honest about that with yourself and realize that trading without a strategy is kind of dangerous. And then just put that money into a system and be done with it. And you'll find you'll do a lot better with a lot less stress.